Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Calendly events into HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Calendly events into HubSpot, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Next, navigate to the integrations section from the dashboard. Look for the Calendly integration option and click on it. If you haven't connected your Calendly account yet, you'll need to authorize the connection. Once connected, go back to the integration settings. Here, locate the option that allows you to sync your Calendly events. Select the types of events you want to import into HubSpot. Make sure to set any preferences for how you want your events to be categorized. Save your settings to ensure the changes are applied. Now, open your Calendly account in a new tab. Find the event you wish to withdraw from HubSpot. Open the event details and look for the withdrawal option. Confirm the withdrawal to ensure it is properly noted. Return to HubSpot to check that the event no longer appears in your calendar. If needed, manually remove any associated tasks or reminders linked to that event. You have now successfully withdrawn from a Calendly event into HubSpot. Review your integration settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help sections in both HubSpot and Calendly. That's it. You're now ready to manage your events between Calendly and HubSpot effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel